All right, well, thus far, our Wednesday has actually been a really nice day, and we have started to see some showers and thunderstorms beginning to fire up across the state. Right now, MaxTrack Live Doppler is, of course, showing many of those just kind of scattered around, a little bit on the isolated side or spotty side in northeastern Kentucky, northern Kentucky, and then heading over closer to the Louisville, southern Indiana area. As of right now, there may be a few strikes of lightning around, maybe a couple of stronger wind gusts, but it's just a downright warm afternoon right now. And again, none of these storms have become severe, so fingers crossed that it stays that way, but there is the potential as we move through the evening. However, this line continues to weaken as it comes in. Pretty soon we're going to lose the sunlight, we're going to lose a lot of this heat, so hopefully many of these showers and storms will begin to kind of fade as we move through the evening. But you can tell there's just a lot going on across a good chunk of the U.S. and we've got days of this rain still yet to come. Last week was a very eventful week, and this week toward the latter half, of course, today, tomorrow, and Friday will prove to be very similar. So right now we have the warm air that's in place. We have a strong flow from the south. It's also windy. We've had gusts up to 30 miles per hour at the airport this afternoon and this evening. Temperatures are still in the mid 80s right now in Lexington, 85. Pair of 82 degrees for Somerset, Pikeville, 85 degrees in Ashland, 75 in Louisville, where they're dealing with some more rain. Everything south and southeast of that warm front. That's responsible, of course, for all of this heat moving in. So as we walk our way through the next couple of days, we'll take you through the future and show you what's going to happen. We're not going to be able to really pinpoint the showers and storms and the timing. So just know that the umbrellas are needed for the next couple of days. Today included, we could see a few of those showers trickling in. By the time we get you into tomorrow morning, we do see a line that's kind of moving into central and western Kentucky. A lot of that begins to fade as it gets closer to us. So hopefully we won't see a big deal. Moving into the afternoon as we start to warm back up, the potential for especially northeastern Kentucky could be seeing a couple of stronger storms firing up ahead of that cold front. That cold front sweeps through it, brings us another round of rain toward tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, and then eventually the low pressure system, that parent low that all of the moisture is kind of circulating around, finally starts to move through, but it brings us more rain and more thunderstorms as we head into the day on Friday as well. For today, we do have most of the viewing area under that marginal risk for severe storms on a scale from 5 or to 1 today. Tomorrow, most of the viewing area too will be under a marginal risk, but then we start to see that slight risk coming into play. That includes Cincinnati, Lexington, the Ashland area, all the way down toward Rockcastle County, down around Clay County as well. So that's going to be a 2 out of 5 tomorrow, with the potential for some strong wind gusts, maybe some hail, and the threat of an isolated spin-up tornado is not out of the realm of possibility. We're also talking about quite a bit of rain, especially if we see one area receiving multiple rounds of showers moving through. We could be looking at maybe ending the day tomorrow less than ½ an inch, but we could add much more to that moving into the day Friday. It wouldn't surprise me if a lot of places get closer to 1 inch of rain. After that, we see a big drop off in the rain totals. In fact, most of next week is beautiful, is sunny and dry, and because of that rain coming in, our pollen counts are actually going to be on the low side tomorrow, medium side on Friday. For tomorrow, high temperatures up around 76 degrees. We'll be dealing with the rounds of rain and thunderstorms. Keep an eye on the sky, keep the umbrella nearby. Friday, high of 71 degrees, 76 on Saturday. We finally dry out. The weekend looks great weather-wise, but hot. Highs back up near 90 degrees next Tuesday.